Hey guys, this is Karthik Ramani here again. In this short video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can integrate your autoresponder with social surveys. So once you create your survey and you come to a dashboard, you can just go and see besides the survey where you have something called autoresponder. If your survey had a email field, what you can do is you can come here, you can select an autoresponder from this list. If you have a Aweber, you can put in your Aweber code, get response, Infusion, Mailchimp, One Shopping Cart, SendReach. Don't worry if your autoresponder is not listed here. Click on others. Your autoresponder will still have a form code, and again, once you put in the form code, you don't have to change any of these values. Check this box in case your form does not support SSL, because since all our pages are hosted in secured pages, if your autoresponder uh, code doesn't have HTTPS, just click on this checkbox and we'll take care of it for you. Also, apart from this, we have autoresponder integration, direct autoresponder integration, meaning rather than the putting in the form code, you can directly select a list from the problem. I think I have some internet issues. Let me refresh it again. Click on autoresponder. Okay, so we have direct API integrations with these companies: Aweber, GetResponse, Mailchimp, SendReach, and ActiveCampaign. If you click on Aweber, it says you've not integrated your Aweber yet. Kindly integrate the Aweber API from the settings tab. So I'm just gonna click on API integrations and then come to Aweber. I'm gonna say connect with Aweber. It'll take you to Aweber to authorize your Aweber account. You log in with your Aweber username password, and once you click on allow access, what happens is your autoresponder Aweber is connected to us. So then you will have one other drop down saying, okay, for this campaign, these emails should go to which list. So you can select this option. I mean, if you have any of these autoresponders, it's gonna save you a lot of hassle rather than taking a form code from these autoresponders and putting it here. So if you do have Aweber, GetResponse, Mailchimp, SendReach, or ActiveCampaign, uh, you can do the API integrations. Also, if you want to register people for the webinar, you can connect with your GoToWebinar account. When you click on that, it'll go to GoToWebinar login page. Once you log in, authorize your GoToWebinar, all your webinars would come here. You can select, okay, these leads should be registered from these surveys, should be registered for this particular webinar. So again, we have API integrations with Infusionsoft as well. You have to put your Infusionsoft API URL and the Infusionsoft API key, and we would bring all your list name, and you can send the opt-ins to specific list. Also, we have a WordPress plugin. You can download this plugin here, and this is the API key for your account. When you download and install the plugin in your WordPress, and when you put in this API key, all the surveys that you see here would be available for direct integrations within your WordPress blog. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.